How to show date next to your time on status bar in Samsung Galaxy. In this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can show the date and time next to your time. Show the date next to your time on Samsung Galaxy. So of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to access your Samsung Galaxy store. And then you want to have to download the application that's going to be Good Luck. So this application is only available via the Samsung Galaxy Store, to make sure that you are going to be downloading the same thing. Now, once you've successfully downloaded this, once you pull up the app, you're going to need to add a plug-in, which is going to be Quickstar. So if you haven't downloaded and installed this onto your Good Luck application, make sure to do that first. And then once it is fully downloaded, you're going to have to turn it on and then choose on clock settings, uh, activate or enable show date. And then once you tap on show date, there's going to be a bunch of format that you can choose from here. So as you can see at the upper left, that is where I placed my date and time. And that's it. That's how you show date next to your time on status bar Samsung Galaxy.